So now we're going to take a look at, we did the media queries and Flexbox, and we did position, and we're flying over float. We're not really going to stop there. I don't know. You want to see a little bit of float?
Yeah.
Just so you're aware of it, or no?
Yeah.
All right, so here's a float. We'll take a look at float. So float was originally designed to have text wrap around an image. So here we have an image and we have text. And when I look at this, cool, that text wraps around my image. Okay? And the way that that is achieved is with CSS like this. And so we just say float right, float left, right, on that ID. And so for the image here, the ID is right. So we're floating that image right, and then the text is going to wrap around it. All right? And so let's play with that for a second. I'm just going to copy this and put it to 0410. And then I'll open that up. And what if I only had a little bit of text and not all that text? And now let's look at it. So that's what that looks like. Well, that kind of got broken, right? And so the image is floated in that container, but that container is no longer, big enough to hold that image. And so we could fix that by saying, look, when this thing overflows, and I think it's overflow auto, and now let's see if that does it. And so I don't remember what the setting is, so I need to go look it up. And to look it up, I'm going to go to CSS layout. And it's I don't like the way they describe it. So let's find it here, because they describe it in a way that's awkward. So overflow, that's what it is. So here is overflow. So here that one overflowed, right? And so to fix the overflow, it's overflow auto. So we have that right here. So the CSS is overflow auto. And I don't remember what I typed in, but there's overflow auto. So it fixes the overflow. Overflow, right? Makes sense. Overflow auto. So I want you to recreate this right here. And we'll just keep this short. And I want both those images to be floated in divs, and one will have enough text to push the div down, and the other one won't, to hold the image. The image will overflow the container, and I want you to see it without it, and then put overflow auto onto it and see how that fixed it. So why don't you go ahead and do that.